Hey Secondary 2 Math Prodigies, this is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery. So yesterday we started on a very new topic called simultaneous equations. Basically you have two equations and you want to solve for two variables instead of one. That means you have to solve for x and y instead of only x or y. Okay, so the questions are very simple actually. So I'm going to start with yesterday's question. I'm going to give you the answer right now. The question was this and the answer is this. Number of apples equals to 4, number of oranges equals to 5. Now if you got it right, you know what I'm going to do right now? I'm going to give you a high five. You are a math prodigy. Good job. So how do we do this question? This question is all about what? Simultaneous equations. So there are very structured ways of doing simultaneous equations. Line by line, the answer is what? It's mine. Line by line, the answer is mine. That's the code of the week. So we'll use this to do it step by step. So let's read the question first. Miss Rahman bought some apples and oranges. So you don't know what's the apples, you know what's the oranges. The first step is definitely to do what? Let apples be x, or let whatever you want to do it. So let apples be x. Okay? And let what? Let my handwriting is really bad here. Let oranges be y. Whatever you want, A or B or A or O, whatever you want can be done. Okay. The next step, the total cost was $4.10. Okay, which means that what? Just by looking at this first statement, you can already know that the cost of x and y, okay, x and y is equals to $4.10. Okay. Now, the next step is for you to see the cost of an orange is 50 cents, which is 10 cents more than the cost of an apple. So an apple costs how much? Just by looking at that statement, okay? So we write down the 50 cents. Oranges cost how much more? Less, actually cost 10 cents less. So it's 40 cents. Okay, good. Now, if there were a total of 9 fruits, find the number of apple and the number of oranges. Now, so looking at that, is my first equation right? No, because this is number of apples, number of oranges equals to 410. No, that's wrong. So you have to erase that first part, okay? So don't write things so easily. X plus y equals to what? It equals to 9. That is your very first equation. So you put that as equation number 1. Equation number 2 is, you know that 50 cents is times x and 40 cents times y. So 50 cents times x equals to 50x plus 40y equals to what? $4.10 in cents equals to 410. Can you reduce it further? Yes, you can. It becomes 5x plus 4y equals to 41. And hence the second equation is 5x plus 40y equals 4y equals to 41. Now that we have both equations, we can do using substitution or using elimination to find out what are x and y. Okay, so I'm going to erase everything. Okay, I'm going to erase everything. Just going to leave the two equations there. Okay, so again, it's going to rewrite the thing again. The first equation is x plus y equals to 9. Okay, now we're just going to do pure math without looking at the question. Okay, 4x plus 5y equals to 41. Which is easier, do you think? Elimination or substitution? It's up to you really, but I would use substitution for this. Because from the first equation, from number 1, from equation 1, this is what I would write. I don't know how you guys would write it, but from equation 1, x equals to what? 9 minus y. Okay? And I would, using substitution, sub this into, using substitution, I'm going to sub this into, okay, I'm just going to write it as fast as possible, okay? Sub into 2, equation number 2. Oops, sorry, this is 2. Okay, and hence 4 times, now what do we replace x with? We replace it with 9 minus y. So 9 minus y plus 5y equals to 41. 4 times 9, 36 minus 4y plus y equals to plus 1y, correct? Plus y equals to 41. And hence y equals to 41 minus 36 gives you what? Gives you 5. Y equals to 5. So you sub this back into, if y equals to 5, from the first equation, x equals to 9 minus 5, it gives you 4, and hence the number of oranges is 5 and the number of apples are 4, and that's how you get the answer using simultaneous equations. It's very very good. It's very, very easy to do. It's very, very convenient to do, and you get the answers all at one shot. I love simultaneous equations, don't you? Okay, so with that, that is the answer. If you got it right, I'm gonna give you a high five. You are a math prodigy. Good job. So we'll move on to our second simultaneous equation. I love simultaneous equation. You should too, okay? Because it really makes a big difference in solving questions very easily. So the next question is this, okay? Very easy as well. I want you to remember, math is all about doing things step by step. So use the quote of the week, which is line by line, the answer is mine. Line by line, the answer is what? It's mine. Step by step, line by line, the answer is mine. With that, this is Coach Saiful signing off. You are a math prodigy. Good job.